Okay, hello once again, Azchat, and welcome to the Thrive Themes interface. So please don't worry, it's very, very simple, and the fact I'm using it means that it's much more comfortable in work and valid than any other page editor, because I used them all, I know them all. This is just the proper one with a scientific approach, and the developer is very, very right guy with the right mindset. So just try to use Thrive Themes and you will see that it's worth it. So the first thing you do when working on this project like that, you change the template of the page from anything your theme uses on the blank template. So blank page boxed, blank page styled, we choose blank page, choose template, and then we got our workspace for creating our template. So our template looks like this, and the page consists of a few sections. Sections is Thrive Themes element. First you remove everything from here. Those are elements. So background section, this is what I mean when I'm referring to sections. So this red one, then this line, then this another color section, this next one, then this red one, and so on. So the page consists of a few sections. Then we see that the first section, for example, got image background. So I hope you know how to hack the background image. It's inspect element, and we looking for the background image. So like this, maybe it's gonna be here, or yes, background image, open a new tab, and we got this image. So you use background section, then background style, and you're using image, and in this image you upload that image I showed, and then use it. So for text you're using the same fonts as on this page. How you identify fonts is like this this addition to your web browser, and you click on the page with the text, and you see font Robota, and you're using that font. It's a standard font, but if you got custom font, there is also a plugin in WordPress for that purpose, but in this case we just got simple layout with simple text. So you using the same fonts, the same size we get with this same tool, 40 pixel, and then you using, this are just simple text elements. Those are already column elements. So column, you're dragging like this. It's for the background message, so we choose 2, then we choose fractions, and next we build inside those columns already our elements. So this is how it's done. Please check all the elements, and you'll see this is the button element, for example. You won't have 2 icons, button, but still try to recreate it. If you won't succeed, there is a feature of an HTML code here. So if you're not coding, then just try to recreate as similar as here. Here we got this element, and for that ThriveThemes got a separate plugin or an element. Please check those. For these purposes of static elements, we also got this feature here. It's scroll behavior. Then it's all simple elements. It's just list element here. So styled list. Then we got also, it's just a column element with an icon. It's standard basic elements. This is the same. Please pay attention on these shadows. And then actually it's very basic. 6 columns element. For example, if you don't have, it's obvious, 6 columns, then you get 4, and then just drag it, copy and drag it like at the side, and then it will give you another column. So like this, not inside but right columns, and then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then don't forget to save work. So this is basically it. Very basic, very standard, very intuitive. So I hope you will spend a bit of time to figure it out, and you will be okay. If something, please ask questions and I will help you.